Hello, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we dive into the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're setting sail with a word that's vital for sailors and full of metaphorical depth. Our word of the day is anchor. An anchor is a noun that refers to a heavy object used to stop a ship from moving by attaching it to the sea bottom. It plays a crucial role in maritime life, ensuring that ships remain steady and secure in one place. But beyond its nautical meaning, anchor is often used figuratively to describe something or someone that provides stability or support in our lives. Some synonyms for anchor include mainstay, cornerstone, and bulwark. For example, you might say, "The teacher was the cornerstone of the school, offering guidance and support to everyone," or "A strong family can act as a mainstay in difficult times." These words convey a sense of reliability and importance, much like an anchor does for a ship. On the other hand, antonyms for anchor include drift, instability, and uncertainty. For instance, without a plan, the team seemed to drift aimlessly, or the sudden changes brought about a sense of instability in the organization. These words emphasize a lack of steadiness, contrasting sharply with the grounding effect of an anchor. In everyday life, anchor is a word that pops up often, both literally and metaphorically. Imagine you're on a boat with friends and decide to stop for lunch. You'd say, "Let's drop the anchor here and enjoy the view." Figuratively, you might hear someone say, "She's the anchor of the family, always holding everyone together," or "Meditation acts as an anchor for my busy mind." Here are a few sentences to help you remember how to use anchor. The crew dropped the anchor to secure the ship during the storm. His unwavering confidence served as an anchor for the team. The old lighthouse was a symbolic anchor for the seaside town, representing its rich maritime history. To wrap things up, we've learned that an anchor is not just an object, but also a powerful metaphor for stability and support. Whether you're navigating the seas or life itself, an anchor can make all the difference. Thank you for tuning in to Hello Word. If you enjoyed today's episode, please subscribe to our podcast and leave a review. Your support helps more people discover the show. Before you go, I'd love for you to share your own sentence using anchor in the comments. Who or what is an anchor in your life? Until next time, keep exploring words and expanding your world.